Okay, so today we have an iPhone 11. Screen's cracked. Nice case though. Yeah, well, a little good for my taste. Ooh, camera is cracked too. Jesus Christ. I don't chase, I attract. What belongs to me will simply find. What? Wow. Well, I guess that wasn't for me. This was hard to take off for no reason, I swear. Well, at least the back of the phone looks pretty clean, except for that crack. Well, the customer bought their own screen, so just to take this out and, you know, get this stuff. Won't be using their tools though. Oh, okay, that's nice. Alright, off with the pencil loop screws. Open up the phone. Off with the screen. Batteries unclipped. Take out the air speaker. Take out the new screen. Screw it back up. And boom, we're done.